Hello, my brother Daps and all of our brothers and sisters in Nigeria. My name is Stephen. I am a part of the Kingdom of God here in Buffalo, New York, and I bring you greetings. Certainly have been heartbroken by the events of this last weekend and what is unfortunately a reality in Nigeria for those who serve the King. You know, here in Buffalo, we just had a shooting. It was very bad, and numbers of people were killed, and it was a horrific situation. But even still, we understand that we are not at this point paying a price for the gospel as you are, and so we honor you. We bless you tonight. Brother Daps asked if I would simply release a little bit of a prophetic declaration over Nigeria tonight, and I was humbled and honored by that invitation, and just want to say how much we love and care for you, how much we honor you in the Lord for the way you are carrying the kingdom in such a beautiful manner in the earth, and want to just release a sound over you tonight here from Buffalo under Bishop Robert Stearns and Eagles Wings leadership. I serve with him, and just want to speak over you tonight the reality of the Lord. And so I just invite you to receive, not from me, not from this keyboard, but from the heart of God over you. Oh, you who are weary, oh, you who have strength in the Lord, oh, you who have stood in the fire, being his light, grace and mercy from Jesus Christ, grace and mercy from the Father. May you know his love for you. May you sense the presence of the Lord, and may you be strong and of good courage. May you be strong and of great faith. You who are the nation meant to reveal his glory, grace and peace to you. May the Lord shine upon you, and may his glory radiate. May his presence go before you as you meet the enemy in the gate. Be strong and of good courage, for the Lord your God is with you. You will pass through the fire and come out the other side, gleaming in his glory, bright and shining glory, You're gleaming in His glory, Nigeria. May the Lord bless and keep you. May His face shine upon you. And when you pass through fire and through flood, may the blood speak a better word over you. For you have a Redeemer. You have a righteous leader, a good shepherd watching over you. He's watching over you. He's watching over you. For you have a mighty warrior. Oh, you have a righteous one. There's a lion who rose from Zion, and he's roaring over you, Nigeria. There is a Redeemer, there is a hope. Even in the darkness, He is your God. And as you stand and declare who He is, you will see the Lion and His glory. So don't shrink back, don't give up. You were made for this storm, and you will soar above. You were made to glisten in the fire. My brothers and sisters, I bless you from this place, Nigeria. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May the Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you His shalom. We stand with you. We stand with you. We are one body in Him, one sound out of His mouth. We bless you tonight, Nigeria. We bless you tonight, brothers and sisters. Those who've lost loved ones, those who've stood in the midst of challenging situations, you are not alone. The Lord is with you. And there are many standing with you. Tonight, I release the sound over Nigeria.